My name is Will Edwards, and I'm the CEO of Firehawk Aerospace. And we've built the safest, most reliable, and cost-effective rocket engine in the world. While there have been incredible advancements in aerospace technology, rocket engines have been left behind. We're still using engines based on designs from the 1960s that utilize unstable fuel and oxidizer combinations. Due to their high volatility, these rocket engines take 5 to 7 years to design. They cost hundreds of millions of dollars in investments. They have hundreds, if not thousands, of parts, and they're still unreliable. Our hybrid rocket engine only has 12 parts, which means there's far less likely for something to go wrong. They can be designed in 4 to 6 months. They will not accidentally detonate, and they have nearly unlimited thrust scalability. On top of that, they cost 20% of the standard rocket engine. So we've achieved this by 3D printing our rocket fuel instead of the traditional method of cast molding it. This creates a much more sturdy grain that will not break apart or generate excessive amounts of vibration, which has historically prevented hybrids from coming to market. So our fuel is made up of an ABS thermoplastic and nano-aluminum powder. We use nitrous oxide as our oxidizer, and since our engine utilizes an oxidizer valve, our fuel grain can throttle down to 10%, and our specific impulse is in the 320s. To date, we have 31 hot fire engine tests to back up our data and have been awarded 5 patents, giving us a monopoly on the 3D printing of rocket fuel. Our engine can also be produced using robotics, and it has multiple applications, including lunar landers, small sat launchers, and hypersonic missiles with intercept capabilities. In fact, Stennis and Marshall Space Center approached us about working together on a 25,000-pound thrust version of our engine for a lunar transport system. They're intrigued due to the fact that our fuel is capable of being printed on the moon using lunar resources. Currently, the best option for that is a hydrogen-based liquid bipropellant engine. But you can't store hydrogen on the moon for a month and expect to have the same amount left. It'll boil off. Our fuel will not boil off. Completing this alongside the engineers from 2 prestigious space centers will help give the latest iteration of our technology immediate validation. Firehawk is also gaining traction in the commercial sector. We're in negotiations to build our hybrid engine for a small sat launcher. They chose us due to our time frame, the customization, the safety, and the reusability of our engine. We're a proud team made up of engineers, government professionals, additive manufacturing experts, and startup founders. Therefore, we know what it takes to make this work. Can you imagine a world where you can have a custom engine on demand, where you don't have to wait 7 years to send up the latest innovative ship into space? We can. So we're Firehawk Aerospace, and we're creating the safest, most reliable, and cost-effective rocket engine in the world. Thank you.